Right, we're back, and here we are, and this is where we finished off, and when you saw the last video where the actual light was actually cut out and sitting there, we actually got her in place. If I take the cover off, I think it'd be the easiest way to do that. And I think you can see it there. I'll do that. Looks really nice. I'm quite pleased with it, considering what it was. That was used for it, and yeah, so we've got to do it now. And what we've got to do now is do a bit of clear coating. I want another clear coat to protect the weathering that's on there at the moment, and then I can go back in and do the dusting, and then eventually do a matte varnish over the whole thing. So, and I'll protect the light anyway, because I have to make sure I don't get any spray on that, because it's already been varnished on there as well, so don't want to go to doing that silliness. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to have to now use the one above. I can't use this one because I just don't want it, because I'm here. I'm going to use it from above for this particular next segment anyway, so catch you on the next segment. Hi, we're back, and we're above, as you can see, and I do like this shot, and when I do my next build, it might be another small one, depending on whether Greg's ready for me to do a small build for this, and I may do a little vignette for this. I'm not sure still. I will get one ready, but I haven't got no materials for, and it's cold outside anyway, so I might save that for another day, and then basically put it on a little vignette with a bit of sand underneath it, give it a queen of the desert in a desert setting. I'm just shaking off this semi-gloss finish. There you go. So I just want to give a quick close over to protect all the weathering we've done so far. I'm quite pleased with it so far. As you remember, I thought it was going to be a shelf queen. Thankfully it's turned out not to be, so right, I've got to get this on now. I'm going to put me all my air dispenser on now, so it's going to be quite noisy. And here we go, and put my compressor on first though. That's it. And see if we can, that's good, everything's lovely and clean. I'm just going to do this, and using this airbrush again, this one here. There you go. Oh, see, much better there. Okay. So there you go. So I'm going to put a little bit of thinners in, just to spray through and make sure, and I'll do that. You can't see it's on camera, but there it is. I'm just going to give it a spray. And it's lovely. Right, here we go then. So now we're going to get my new pipette out and get some varnish in here. And here we go. So we're ready to go. And I should get my glove on. I need a glove. I'll take a new one. I think I've done the other one. Yeah, I did. Oh, here we go. Got two out, but I only need one. Might come out a little bit. Funny, I'm going to the other camera now. That's it. There you can see the stuff I've got here. Right, let's put this on. Oh, wrong hand. That's my spraying hand, not my holding hand. And here we go. Got them on. Right. Get this like this. I'm going to go nice light straight. It's doing it. Bit of decal coming off there. I'll get that off later. done. Right, that's done. Now we've got to do the top, and I've got to put some more in it now. And again, let it dry overnight, obviously. Now I don't want to get any on my lamp, but it will be gloss, so it's not quite so much, I suppose. That's it. That's it. That's done. I suppose we'll do the barrel a little bit. Give it the same sort of time. That's it. That's been done now. So what I'm going to do is remove this, bring my grey bit back, put that on there, and tiptoe with that. So that's all been sprayed, as you can see. Gives me a gloss, and gives me enough of it for the weathering as well later on. Hello, what's that? Does that look right? Yeah, yeah, I did that. Yeah, so we're okay. So I'm going to put a bit of thinners in my airbrush to clean it all off. Let it soak through into where the needle is. And I didn't put the air cap this on, did I? I forgot. I put it on to clear the air. There ain't much in here, to be honest. That's on there. Ready for the next weathering, really. You can see that. So I'll put them back where it was. And I'll say this quick. I'll clean the airbrush off the camera. But this is the last one. This is 1700, and you've already had an update up to this point. So this has been the second segment of it. So it's the 32, number 32. Right, here we go then. So I'll put that around like that. Leave it like that, and I'll see you on the next segment.